If you want to remove people from photos on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, here's what you can do. Now, the first thing that you can try is to use the gallery. And then in gallery, once you open the photo where you have a group of people, for example, that you want to remove, we can go to this, we can tap on this pen icon in order to start editing our photo. And then in here at the bottom, we can go to create, where we can find the erase option. Usually we need to download it, which doesn't take too long, and also you need to have a Xiaomi account in order to be able to use this tool. And then over here we have the remove people option. And in this case, all the people will be selected. You can actually also tap on people that you don't want to get rid of, and then you can tap on the start button. And I can show you that this app tries to remove people, but personally I am not really satisfied with the results. Every time I try to do this, as you can see, there is some things left after erasing these people, which doesn't look that great. I mean, this time it's not really that bad, but it could be better. So personally, I am not a fan of that, but if you manage to actually properly get rid of people, then after that, just tap on this check in the bottom right corner and then use save. Now, instead of using the gallery, we can also use the Photos app that we can find pre-installed on our phone. This is Photos app by Google. In here, let me just go to collections, in order to find the same photo. And we're gonna edit the photo using this app instead. And here, it takes a little bit more time in order to get rid of people. Over here, we also have the magic eraser, as you can see. So we can select it. Or you can just simply tap on people, for example, over here in order to try to get rid of them, or just brush them, or I don't know, like select them essentially. So the drawback is that usually we have to do this one by one, like person per person or something, unless they actually are close to each other. So in this case, I'm gonna tap on this person on the right side, and I can tap on erase in order to remove that person from the photo. And after a couple of seconds, it is gone. We have some leftover actually, so we can select it, brush it over here. There we go. And let's erase that as well. And let's see if it's gonna look better. All right, now we have this group of people, so we're gonna select them as well. I'm just gonna brush on them. And of course, we should get rid of them as well. There we go, it is nicely selected, so we can tap on erase. And let's see if it's gonna do a better job. There we go, it looks quite nice. There is something left over here, which let's see if we can actually get rid of that. Let's tap on erase as well. So not only we can remove people, we can also remove objects, of course. It worked pretty well. And here we also have one more person, so let's tap on it, on that person, and let's try to erase, and let's see if it's gonna work. It looks pretty okay. I selected something by accident, we can deselect. It looks pretty okay, but we have some leftovers in here, so let's select that as well, and let's try to erase. And hopefully, yeah, it is gone, and I think it looks actually better compared to the gallery app. So we can tap on this check now in the bottom right corner and save as copy. There we go. And we have the comparison. This is how it looked like before, and this is after. I think it did a really well. I think the job is really well done in this case. So yeah, I think I can recommend you using this app instead of the gallery actually. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.